mis on tõeline armastus? See on sügav ja lõputu, õrn ja sädelev, soe ja sulanduv, helisev ja hõõguv, hell ja hoidev, paindlik ja piiritu, ilus ja mängutu. See on tõeline armastus. Avada oma süda täielikus haavatavuses, kohtuda iseendaga teises inimeses ja tantsida koos läbi elu sügavas õnne ja tänutundes. Ja teie oletegi tõeline armastus.
In the morning it comes, heaven sent a hurricane. Not a trace of the sun, but I don't even run from rain. Beating out of my chest, my heart is holding on to you. From the moment I knew, from the moment I knew, you were the air in my breath, filling up my love-soaked lungs. Such a beautiful mess, intertwined and overrun. Nothing better than this, knowing that the storm can come. You feel just like the sun, just like the sun. And if you say I'll be alright, I'm gonna trust you, babe. Gonna look in your eyes, and if you say I'll be alright, I'll follow you into the light. Never mind what I knew, nothing seems to matter now. Who I was without you, I can do without. No one knows where it ends, how it may come tumbling down. But I'm here with you now. I'm with you now. And if you say be alright, I'm gonna trust you, babe. I'm gonna look in your eyes, and if you say be alright, I'll follow you into the light. Let the world come rushing, come down hard, come crushing. All I need is right here beside me. I'm not enough, I swear it. Take my love and wear it over your shoulders. And if you say we'll be alright, I'm gonna trust you, babe. Gonna look in your eyes, and if you say we'll be alright, I'll follow you into the light. The light. The light.
On õnnelikul abielul oma väiksed saladused. On palju-palju reegleid ja ka mõned kavalused. Kuid armastusest tähtsaim siiski on kõik see, mis kalli kaasa heaks sa igal päeval teed. On kahekesi, käsi käes, see tulevikku astumine ja miskit palju enamat kui esmapilgust armumine. Koos ühes suunas liikudes on takistused kerged, kui unistuste suunad on mõlemale selged. Õrn sõnadeta naeratus on iga päeva algus ja siiras silmavaade on armastuse valgus. Nüüd pühitseda õnne on täna põhjust meil, sest Annika ja Rauno on leidnud teineteist.